Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing, and it is a glorious day here. The sun is shining, it's not too cold. I'm hidden behind this bush because there is a little bit of a wind today, but I finally got out just to have a little bit of a play with some RC cars. Mark is due any moment, although I've been waiting a good 20 minutes already, so I'm just sitting, chilling. But let's take a quick look at some of the cars I've brought along to have a play with today. Okay, so the cars that I have with me today are, first up we have the FTX Apache. Great ready to run car, this one. It has been proven on the channel many times before, and this is actually a brand new one because it's a new year, new season, and it's time to get the Apaches back out and having some fun on the track. And then the new car this week is the Pro 4 SC10 team associated, ready to run stadium truck. I'm really excited about using this for the first time. And if you saw the video a few weeks ago, we also have the PD Racing TK10, which is a great fun car. Really rips around that thing, wheelies on demand with the PD Racing car is absolute beast. So in terms of batteries, I've got plenty to get me through the day. I've got 5 3S batteries for these two cars here. So I've got my buggy with the tyres where I'm going to build my little track on the field. I've got my bag full of transmitters. I've got some fresh AA batteries, so I'm all ready. I'm just waiting for someone to race with.
What are you doing?
I am maiden voyage for the SC10 Pro 4, or is it the Pro 4 SC10? I don't really know, but it is definitely an SC10, and it's the Pro 4 version of said car. It's got lights, boss. Yeah, I still don't know how I feel about that.
What do you reckon then? What do you reckon?
Do you know what? I'm quite liking it. I think it's a little bit more nimble than the Apache. Now, funnily enough, Mark's got his. So you got your Corrali top on today, boss. But we're running. Actually, you have got your Kagama, haven't you? You got Corrali Kagama. We've had the Yazuga out, but you've got your third Corrali car of the day. What you got now?
So this is the Synchro 4. The Synchro 2's obviously come out. We've not got that as yet, but we might well be getting that at some point. We'll see how we get on. But this is all stock, apart from this servo, because there was an issue with the servo. I just stuck an e-tronics one in it. But I'm really intrigued to see how it's going to go round, because we've only used it like once before, and that was ages ago.
Let's
so
have a look at the bottom. Is it really that new, that car?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So
So it's only been used on a grass track, much like we're doing today. 4-wheel drive, but no. Is there a centre diff in this, King?
there is actually.
There is.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm intrigued to see what this is going to be like, to be honest.
So this is the 4X Synchro, 4-wheel drive, 1/8 buggy. We have had a Corrali 4S before, and that was the Radix 4. And then there was also the Radix 6, which got replaced by the Sparks XB6. I think Mark's just having a bit of a mess around rather than trying to get around the track at the moment. Either that or he's run out of talent. What are you playing at?
Well, I'm trying some different tyres. These, courtesy of Pitman Dave, a long time ago, we got some Schumacher spirals, which are these ones here. Now, the eagle-eyed amongst you will say, you caught them on the wrong way around. I probably have. I don't know which way they go. Quite frankly, I don't care. But, and we forgot tools, so I know I'm going to get moaned at for that as well, but shut up. We're going to give them a go. Hopefully, because it's a bit rear-endy, it's not gripping as well as we'd like. Is it just tyres? There you go. Looks better already, doesn't it, with these? Don't you think?
Do you know what? I think you might have a point there. It does actually look very nice with the discs on as opposed to the wheels it comes with. They're a bit more racy, aren't they? They're racier wheels.
You know what? This is hard rubber. I reckon that's our problem. I almost can't wait to see the difference. I think it's going to be night and day. If I can get them on.
Mark now has really livened up with this car. The spirals are absolutely ripping it round.
Right, time for you to have a go.
Oh, it wants to lean in, doesn't it?
Right, so we always notice that with tyres, it's like, you know, you can go through the setup on a car, you can change this, change that, but the first thing you always must do, tyres, tyres, tyres and tyres. This car's now quite a joy to get around. So the Schumacher spirals, we have in the past used the Hebeo, I can't remember what they're called now, but they do a version of them and they are a lot cheaper. If I had them with me, I'd show you what they are. We got them on our Sparks cars, but yeah, so much better. Hopefully we're going to get the two-wheel drive version of this on the channel very soon and put this car up against that car just to see how it sort of performs really. We do like our Corrali cars because they are good grass races. We're not one for bashing them at skate parks, you know that, we've probably said that many times before. So we don't tend to smash our cars up. If anything, we wear them out because we use them so much doing things like this in the summer. It's actually a bit cold today, to be quite honest, but tried and tested, the Synchro 4 on Schumacher spirals is the way forward if you want to race yours on grass. Well, there we go, another fine little bash session on our little makeshift grass track. What do you reckon? Have you enjoyed today? You know, it's still cold, isn't it?
Do you know what? When that sun went in, it got cold really quick.
It did.
The summer's not quite here, but we are going to have an amazing summer. But yeah, just got to try and get this all back on my little trolley now. Try and get back to the car.
You have.
Anyway, I'm too cold. Can we like talk about the cars when we get back to the studio or something?
Yeah, all right then.
All
I
right,
just want to say one thing. I'm going to come round here, just very briefly. I'm super impressed now with this Synchro. It's been sitting on the shelf for a little while. We got this last year at the back end of the summer, so we didn't really use it to its fullest. And with the Schumacher spirals on, let me tell you something, what an agile, fast, excellent buggy it is around this grass track.
Well, I mustn't forget my bag. Oh, I'm getting too old for this, boss.
Yeah, I know.
But it takes me back to when I was a young father, pushing the sproglets around the zoo with me nappy bag and baby food.
Do you reckon people look at us and think that's amazing, or they look at us and go, what a couple of idiots?
Well, to be fair, the ratio's quite high for people going, we like your cars today. We did all right.
Actually, yeah, we had a few people come over, didn't we, and have a little...
And some young'uns running around chasing the cars. Quite cool. Couple of dogs, they like the look of the cars. But we had fun.
We did.
Come on, let's go.
Actually, I just got back to the van. I didn't really go into too much detail about the Azuga. I didn't even get any footage of it, but I was running it on a 6S. I only normally do 4, and actually it was really good fun. Doesn't really do it much justice, this camera, but this thing is absolutely massive. I think it's 1/7 for this car, but there you go, great little session. Thanks for watching, like I said earlier. See you again on another one.